Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a Super Meat Boy. We're going to get started in the center of our page with the eye. So I'm going to move over to the left side and start with the lower eyelid. We're starting on the outside on the left. We're going to curve up and then pull it in. From the ends we just want to curl around the bottom of the eyelid. So let's start on the left side. I'm going to round this out and then just pull that in. Do the same thing on the right side. Rounding it out and pulling it down and then in. Let's add a few wrinkles on the inside. So on the left, just below the eyelid, we're going to curve across and over. We're going to step down, just draw a shorter curve going across. Now we're going to tuck a circle in behind the lower eyelid for the eye. So let's start on the left side. We're going to step in and just tuck that circle in behind, going all the way around and then back down. On the left side up here, we're going to draw a circle for a highlight. Now let's go and color the eye in black. Now let's move over to the right side and draw on the right eye. Now we're going to start with the lower eyelid, but we're going to lower this one down a little. So leaving a gap in the middle, start on the inside, we're going to curve out and then down. Now we're going to tuck the eye in behind this eyelid. Now the same size circle, start on the inside, we're going to step in. We want to try to get up to the same height. Pull that around and then down. Now let's add the highlight circle on the top left. And now on the bottom right, we're going to draw a smaller circle for another highlight. And we're going to fill the eye in black. Now we're going to move down and draw on the upper part of the mouth. So on the left side, we're going to step down and draw a curve going up in the middle and then back down on the right side. Let's connect the ends with another curve coming down the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and we'll pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to add in the top row of teeth. We're going to start with the gum line. So right in the middle, we're going to step down, start with a point. From this point, we're going to draw a curve going up and then down towards the left. Go back to the center, we're going to do the same thing on the right. And we're just going to repeat this a few more times along the side. Going up, and then down. Now one final time, we're just going to tuck this in underneath the top of the mouth. Going up and out. Now let's add in the teeth. From the center point, I'm going to come straight down, about halfway down. On this point here, we're going to do the same thing. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve, coming down and then back up. Do the same thing over here. From this bottom point, we'll come down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with another curve. Now we're going to leave a gap in this area right here. On this point, we're going to come down. Do the same thing on the outside. And then connect these 2 points with another curve. Now with the outside tooth, we're just going to curve this up underneath the mouth. Starting on the right, curve out, then up. Same thing on the left side. Now we're going to take that and flip it over for the bottom row of teeth. So right in the middle, we're going to step up, start with a point, do a curve in the opposite direction, coming down, then up. I'm going to do that again, coming down, then up. And one more time, we're just going to curve this underneath the bottom curve of the mouth. Now let's add in the teeth. From this top point, we're going to go all the way up. Leaving a small gap underneath the top tooth. We're just going to round this out, just connecting it with another curve. From this point, we'll go up, connect these 2 points with another curve. Now at the very end, we're just going to go up, and then again, connecting those 2 points with a curve. We're going to do the same thing all the way across towards the left. Go up in the middle. And then one final time, we'll go up and finish off the last tooth. Now we're going to go in and fill the inside areas in black. Now directly below the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add a little curve from left to right, just for the lower lip, going across. Now that we've drawn the face, let's work our way around the body. So let's start with the top of the head. We're going to step up, over towards the left. We're going to draw a curve from left to right, going up in the middle, and then back down on the right side. From the left side, I just want to draw a curve coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. So we're going to bring this in slightly, and then pull it straight down to right about there. We're going to do the same thing on the right side, but we're going to stop about halfway to add in the arm. So let's start up here. We're going to curve in, and then down to right about there. We're going to overlap the arm. So from this point, I'm going to step in, draw a curve going up and over that line. Now right here, we're going to add in the thumb. From this point, I just want to curve the palm, coming in and then down. Go back to that point, we're drawing the thumb. Round it out, going up, curling around, and then back down. Now we're going to fold the 3 fingers just below the thumb. Starting from this point, we're going to draw an oval. Curving in, out, and then back over. We're going to draw that again, but we're going to tuck this in underneath the first finger. And then tuck that back in. We'll do that one more time. Now at the base of this finger, we're just going to curve down and then in towards the body. In the middle finger right here, we're just going to curve down and then in. Now I want to continue the side of the body in behind the arm all the way down towards the bottom of the leg, towards the same height as we have on the left. Now we're going to round out the feet. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting left, we're going to curve down and then pull that up. Again, leaving that gap, step over towards the right side and draw another curve. Just above the bottom of the feet, I'm going to draw the lower belly. Starting on the left side, curve down and then back up on the right. We're going to take these ends and just draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now on the right side, we're just going to add the arm tucked in behind the body. So in line with the left eye, I'm going to curve out and then down. We're going to round out the elbow and pull this back in behind the body. Now let's add the upper forearm. So about halfway down the arm, I'm just going to curve up and over towards the left. Let's add the band-aid on the forehead. So up here, we're going to start with 2 angled lines. We're going to close off the top with a straight line and also the bottom. Now I'm going to take that and just do another one going across this way in behind. Stepping down on the right side as well. We step down again, go 2 more lines, and then we'll close off the ends. The last thing I want to do is add a couple scratches along the body. So we start on the left leg with just 1 line going across. We'll do one across the forehead going up, and we'll do one more along the bottom on the right, coming down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Super Meat Boy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.